Was the thought that you could attract money one of the main things that drew you to the law of attraction? If so, you're not alone. Almost everyone wants to find out how to attract more money using law of attraction techniques. However, maybe you've since discovered that techniques to attract money are more confusing than you expected. Alternatively, perhaps you think you've been doing all the right things but you still haven't quite figured out how to use the law of attraction to get money. If you want to know how to build wealth fast, first you need to master 6 easy exercises. We'll outline these exercises below, and also explore how to manifest money quickly and easily using targeted meditations to attract wealth. Finally, we'll look at the best affirmations for money. Before you know it, you'll be ready to manifest anything in the blink of an eye. 6 exercises to attract money and wealth instantly. Experts sometimes say you can manifest anything in 7 days. If the process hasn't been as simple for you, then you might be tempted to give up your law of attraction work. However, it's entirely possible to manifest wealth. You just have to earn the right techniques. In addition, even if abundance isn't your main manifestation goal, you'll surely benefit from attracting more money into your life regardless. Whether you want to wine and dine your dream partner, start a new business, travel the world, or build your confidence, some extra cash certainly can't hurt. In many of best law of attraction money stories, financial success is the gateway to a huge number of other forms of success. So, why not spend the next week or so honing these 6 foolproof techniques? Attract money. Step 1. Focus on abundance. Often top of the list of law of attraction money tips, this exercise is predicated on the core law of attraction premise that you attract more of what you focus on. So, if you spend more time focusing on the abundance you have, more could come your way. There are many ways to do this. For example, keep a journal and make a daily habit of noting down 1 to 5 things you're grateful to have. Close your eyes for 3 to 5 minutes, spending all the time inhabiting your deepest feelings of gratitude for the abundance in your life. Attract money. Step 2. Flip the script. When you're trying to attract abundance, your inner critic will often tell you that you can't. Sometimes, it will even tell you that you don't deserve to be wealthy. Whenever a negative thought like this arises, immediately flip it around and focus on the opposite. For example, when you worry, "I don't think I'll ever be successful enough to make money," firmly tell yourself, "Everyone can be successful enough to make huge amounts of money." If necessary, use a thought-stopping technique like saying the word "stop" out loud or picturing a red stop sign. Attract money. Step 3. Spend in alignment with your values. Another of the best ways to attract money is to ensure you spend the wealth you have on things that really matter. When you live in a way that aligns with your values, you get much money pleasure from spending and develop a much more positive relationship with money. And when you view money in a positive, loving way, you'll attract more money instantly. And if you're not sure what you value, do the following. Write down the 5 most important experiences of your life. Write 5 words that describe each. Ask yourself, what common themes emerge? These are your key values. Attract money. Step 4. Face facts. Manifesting wealth isn't just about connecting money with happiness. It's also about looking at the reality of your financial situation and acting accordingly. So, be honest with yourself. Look at all your finances, including debts. Don't be afraid to reach out for help if you need it. Friends, family, and financial advisors can all help you draw up a plan to improve the situation. If you don't have abundance today, that's okay. Remind yourself that it's not possible to get to where you want to go unless you engage with the truth of where you are right now. Attract money. Step 5. Smell money. While it might sound strange at first, you'll be better at using the law of attraction for money and wealth if you connect with the smell of money. When you do this, you align your own vibration with wealth and abundance. As you do this, imagine yourself as having all the wealth you need. Don't think about why you want money, or how you wish you had more money. Let your brain believe you are fully abundant, right now. This is a quick and easy exercise. However, done often, it can reset old negative beliefs about money, ones that are holding you back. Attract money. Step 6. Banish fear of success. Many people accidentally self-sabotage. So, you might on some level be afraid of what will happen if you attract money. Write down all the reasons you might be afraid to be abundant. For example, you might write, "What if people only use me for my wealth?" or "What if I'm not happy, even when I'm rich?" For each fear, think about where it comes from. Did someone from your past give you this message? Is it coming from your social setting? Note the source. Finally, write a reply to each worry. For example, "I'll still know true friends from false friends no matter how wealthy I am." How to use meditation for money. Perhaps you're already practicing meditation, or maybe you're just thinking about trying it for the first time. Regardless, a guided meditation to attract money can be done by everyone. It's a wonderful way of tuning your mind into the reality of your abundance, creating positive emotions about wealth and giving you a more vivid picture of what it will be like to manifest your goal. Plus, meditation has dozens of other scientifically proven benefits, ranging from stress management to increased empathy, lower blood pressure, and better mental health. You can't manifest huge sums of money overnight, but you can create the preconditions for wealth virtually overnight. We'll take you through a basic money meditation, step by step. Think of the following as an Attract Money Now meditation, one ideally performed before sleep so that the messages can be readily absorbed into your subconscious. Money meditations begin with finding a comfortable, quiet place where you won't be disturbed. Sit down cross-legged, or in a chair with your feet touching the ground. 2. Take 5 deep breaths, inhaling and exhaling to a count of 10 each time. As you do this, release all tension from your body, imagining it dissipating at the top of your head, then work your way down to your neck, chest, waist, legs, and feet. 3. When you're fully relaxed, imagine your body warming up and being filled with a warm, golden light. 4. After a few minutes pass, imagine money raining down on you. Imagine it adding up to millions of dollars. Imagine it filling your rooms and the rooms of your neighbors. There is enough for everyone. 5. Let yourself feel joyful and fulfilled. After another few minutes of bathing in this happiness, slowly open your eyes. Once you're used to this Attract Money meditation, you can move on to repeat it 2 or 3 times a day, not just before sleep.